Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can grow your Instagram with the secret method which I'm going to show you in this video, which will definitely boost your Instagram followers in the initial stage. Now the problem is that when we start the Instagram page or a theme page, we don't know how to grow the initial followers like 1000, 2000, 3000. I am doing Instagram for past 3 years, and I have tried many strategies to grow the Instagram, like taking shoutouts, taking paid promos, like growing without any money. So in this video I'm going to show you like how you can grow your Instagram with 10k followers within the 2 months if you apply this strategy correctly. So first of all, you need a old Instagram account. Why I am telling this, because if you have an old Instagram account, Instagram says that this is the old user, so the restriction on the new account, it will not be there. So first of all, you need to having a old Instagram account. If you not, just let it go with the new Instagram account. I will tell how you can go with new Instagram account. So what we are going to do is, let me show you in my mobile, so just check it out. What you have to do is, you need to go to your Instagram account. Like suppose I am on my Instagram account, and here is I have created a dogs.country theme pages, which is I am posting a dogs photos. So how I grow this account? So what you need to do is, you need to go to your Instagram account and search for the like dog pages. Like suppose I am searching for the dog lovers. Here we can see that the 570k Instagram followers. Now what everyone do is that to grow the Instagram pages, they do starting as a follow for follow, and they go to the big pages, and they go to their engagement, likes and comments, and start following that people. So what I am going to do is that I am not using this strategy. I am using advanced, like this is the basic. I am going to give you the secret trick that you can grow initial followers too fast compared to this strategy. So what I need to do is, I need to find the small Instagram pages like me, like having the 5000, 6000 followers, and also they are doing the follow for follow. So let me search for the Instagram account which having the less followers, so they will be in our industry. So let me search for something like I have something like here, the dogstraining.com. As you can see that he has 9000 followers, like, and this is the best thing we need to find out. He is the same as our niche. So what we are gonna do, you need to first follow him and go to his following and make it is a close friend. And now go to the notification and turn on it post notification. So whenever he posts, you got the notification. And now what you need to do is, as we can see that he also use the follow for follow method. So the whenever he use the follow for follow method, the engagement, like he tried to follow for the high engagement pages. So what you need to do, the followers of this page having the much more sensibility or the much more engagement towards your page, because he already follows this page. So definitely they will like your content too, and they will follow your content too, your page too. So this is the much better strategy to grow the initial followers too fast. This is in this strategy, the success rate will be the most higher success rate. Like if you do the basic follow for follow and follow strategy, you will get around the 20 followers per 100 followers you follow. And in this strategy, if you do it correctly, you can get up to 50 followers per 100 follow. So this is the best method, I can see that. And I am also using in my every Instagram page. So what you need to do, whenever he posts, you get the notification, and you just need to go to their engagement and start following the recent likes and comments. So this is the way how you can grow your Instagram page. As we can see that I am following some of his, like I have tried to follow. So this is the method that you can use to follow initial followers like 1000 to 2000 to 10k. This is the super best method. I have never seen an Instagram videos or on a YouTube that anyone sharing this trick. This is my own method which I am using to grow the Instagram. So hope you guys you understand this strategy, how to use this. Like whenever you got this type of Instagram pages, like you need to find Instagram pages which is also growing like you in your niche, and you need to analysis of that page and click on the close friend and turn on his post notification. So whenever you open his recent post, you will get the much more better engagement on your page and followers to your page. So this is the one of my personal method which I am using to grow my Instagram pages, and you can also use this method to grow your Instagram pages. Like within the short amount of time you can cross the 10k mark also, and you can start earning by this too. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.